peace be upon you all. In this video, we're going to explore how to work with the Mark VI SCADA systems simulator, and more specifically, how to force signals using Toolbox ST software. This is a critical step if you want to run and control the simulation using the CimView application from the Cimplicity SCADA suite. So let's get started. Note that the Controller Simulator app is already running and minimized to the taskbar. Now, go ahead and launch the CimView application. Once it opens, navigate to the Startup tab under the Controls section of the G1 unit. If you've seen my earlier video where I explained how to install this simulation, you'll know why we're focusing only on G1. Next, open Toolbox ST. Double-click the G1 component under the system item labeled TL and give it a moment to load. Now, go to the Start Check tab in the Auxiliary section. Click on both Master Reset and Diagnostic Reset to prepare the system. Then, right-click on Control System Fault and select Point Control Panel. Double-click the point, and from the Properties window, copy the point ID, but leave out the G1 prefix. Now you can close the Point Control Panel. From Toolbox ST app, go online by clicking the Go Online button in the toolbar. This button toggles between online and offline. You can also double-click one of the controller icons in the Summary view under the General tab. Keep the selection on Designated Controller and click OK. Once online, you'll be able to monitor component statuses, check variable values, force signals, and take full control of the simulation process. Let's move on. From the toolbar, open the Finder app. Paste the signal you want to work with and click Find. In the Find Results tab of the Info Viewer, click on the variable you want to force. Because it's a program variable, Toolbox ST will automatically switch to the Software tab and highlight it in the List Variable Editor. By the way, I'll probably dedicate an entire video to the Finder app. It deserves its own deep dive. I was supposed to start with that, but never mind. We'll come back to it soon. Now, double-click the variable. When prompted, enter the password, either 123456 or 654321. One of them should work. Once you're in, change the value, check the force value box, and click Send and Close. On the CimView screen, you'll notice the signal's background changes to green. In the simulation installation video, I explained why the system detect this fault. Now, let's experiment with the motors. For good practice, start by forcing the 88BA signals. These control the enclosure ventilation fans. Then do the same with the 88WCF signals. variable editor by clicking them in the Find Results tab. But there's another powerful method. Highlight the signal in Find Results, switch to the Where Used tab in the Info Viewer, and you'll see everywhere the signal is referenced in the logic. Click the yellow notepad icon with the blue pen, and it will take you straight to the block diagram editor, highlighting where the signal is used. In the program editor, double-clicking on a pin value will open a small window where you can also force the value directly. Now, if you look at CimView, you'll see the motors change color to red, one by one. That animation tells us the motors are running. And that's it for this video. I hope you found